Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse video in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project on my CapCut Mobile. And then for example, I'm just going to add this video to my project. Okay, and if you want to reverse this video, we can click on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the reverse option. Just keep scrolling. Okay, and this is the reverse. You just need to tap on that and wait for a moment until the reversing process completed. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to show you the final result. As you can see that the video is played backward. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reverse video in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.